My name is Dr. P.S. Tiwari. Today I will discuss about snoring. What are the snoring? What are the causes of snoring? What are the health risks associated with snoring? What are the symptoms of snoring? How to diagnose snoring? And what are the treatments of snoring in homeopathy? So let's start. Snoring is the vibration of respiratory structures and the resulting sound due to obstructed air movement during breathing while sleeping. In some cases, the sound may be soft, but in most cases, it can be loud and unpleasant. Snoring is a common condition that can affect anyone, although it occurs more frequently in the men and people who are overweight. Snoring has a tendency to worsen with age if not treated properly. Now I am discussing causes of snoring. First, obstructed nasal airway. If your nose is blocked due to any reason, then you will definitely snore. Reasons of blocked nose can be allergy, sinus infection, deviated septum, and nasal polyp. The second point is poor muscle tone in the throat and tongue. Throat and tongue muscles can be too relaxed, which allows them to collapse and fall back into the airway. So, this leads to snoring. Third point is bulky throat tissue. In case of an overweight person's tissue of throat become bulky, which also leads to snoring. The person who snores can be at risk for serious health problems including sleep apnea, next chronic headache, next low oxygen level in the blood, next poor night sleep, next strain on the heart, and the lung interruption of breathing. Symptoms of snoring are noise during sleep, excessive daytime sleepiness, morning headaches, sore throat, restless sleep, choking at night, high blood pressure, and chest pain at night. To diagnose your snoring, you may ask your partner some question about when and how you snore to assess the severity of the problem. Sometimes X-ray, CT scan, and MRI are also done. Now I will tell you about homeopathic treatment of snoring. First of all, understand one thing, that homeopathy can completely treat snoring without any side effect whatsoever. So, in case of following symptom, you can take the following medicine. First symptom is loud snoring with deep and heavy sleep. If you have the symptoms of loud snoring with deep and heavy sleep, then you can take opium 200 4 drops alternate day. Second symptom is snoring with nasal polyp. If you have both nasal polyp and snoring, then you can take lemna minor 30 4 drops twice daily. Third symptom is snoring in the children. If a children is suffering from snoring, then he can take China 30 4 drops twice daily. Fourth symptom is snoring with blocked nose and open mouth breathing. If you have the symptoms of snoring along with the blocked nose in such a way that you are forced to breathe through your mouth, then you can take Dulcamra 200 4 drops twice in a week. So, these are some medicines by which we can get control of your snoring problem permanently. Still, if you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp me and I will try to reply as soon as I can. So, if you like my video, then share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Namaste.